Don't yell.
What is it? Get it? Get it, Nikki.
Blizzard's like, if I don't move, you don't see me.
Nikki, over here.
Stand back. You can't get so close. You make Nikki nervous.
Nikki. He's like, it tastes good. Right there. Right there. Right there. Icky.
You're too close.
He was like, you taste good. He's like right there.
Right here.
Nikki, right here. What's this? What's that?
Right
What's
here.
that? Nikki, what's this?
Right here.
What's that? Huh? What is it? Get it. You better get him.
He sees it now. Step
He's
back.
like, surprise, motherfucker. He's like, maybe if I go after it again. Aw, dang it. Hold on, Nikki.
Step back.
Get him.
You might get it, do just that.
No, I'm talking to you to get the thing. Where did its tail go?
Nikki got it.
Good bird, Nikki. Good boy.
What's that?
Good
huh?
boy.
Yeah, what's that, huh?
What was that, huh?
What was that, huh?
It's like, if I don't move, it won't see me again.
Yeah.
He's like, great.
That's the breathing.
Yeah.
Pretty bird. Yeah.
He's like, how dare y'all?